Okay, here we have the Mechatronics Lab 7, which is push button controlling an LED and a buzzer. I'm going to start with the LED. I chose to do the onboard LED for the Arduino. So you got the push button here. When I press it, the light goes on. I can hold it for different durations. I'm going to switch to the buzzer. That's been uploaded. Here we go. So we have the buzzer here. When I press the button here, it generates the sounds on the buzzer. And I'm going to do the Morse code for Mechatronics, which is dash, dash, dot, dash, dot, dash, dot, 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 dash, dash, dot, dash, dot, dash, 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 dot, 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 dash, dot, dash, dot, 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 dot.